Hello everybody, my name is Yuri and I'm CTO and co-founder company of AcuPower Ltd. Today I want to share with you how you can make in generic inquiries such a beauty. And what I mean when I say beauty, here you can see that this line is highlighted in red, but this, and even not a line but specific cell, is highlighted in green. Why? What is the difference? Difference is that it was necessary for me to make sure that this cell will be in red if date, which is inside of it, is bigger than 120 days. How this can be achieved? You can click in customization, edit generic inquiry, then go to results grid, and here at column style, you may see what kind of formula I've used. So I mentioned EEF, so basically which is like IAF, and then here we have formula, date div, greater than 120, then shows this in red, otherwise show it in green. And after application of the saving, view and inquiry, you may see that this specific cell is highlighted in red. Such a tool helps to color different other elements, but I wanted to specifically mention date fields because as usually it's kind of challenging and it took me some time to find date div function. If to sum up, feel free to like this video, subscribe for another ones, leave your comments. It will help me to record other videos.